Anyhow, the next one up is Mary Whyte with a poem called the Claes Line. Mary, please.
A Claes Line. A Claes Line was a news forecast to neighbours passing by. There were no secrets you could keep when the clays were hung out to dry. It also was a friendly link, for the neighbours I was new, if folk had gone in by, to spend a night or two. For then you'd see the fancy sheets and towels hanging out on the line. You'd see the fancy tablecloths with a fantouche design. The Claes announced a wean's birth to the folk that bide inside, as brand new infant Claes were hung, sae connily and with pride. The ages o' the weans could so easily be known by watching how the sizes changed. You'd ken how much they'd grown. It also told when illness struck, as extra sheets were hung, the nicht Claes in a bathrobe tea, haphazardly strung. It said, awa on holiday new, when the line was limp and bare. It told we're back when the line sagged, with no an inch to spare. New folk in the town were scorned on, if their wash was dingy grey, as neighbours raised their eyebrows and looked disgustedly away. But Claes Lines new are o' the past, for electric dryers make work less. New what goes inside a house is onybody's guess. I really miss you and wildlife. It was a friendly sign when neighbours kent each other by what was hung out on their Claes Line.
Mary Whyte there. Mary's like me, she's originally from Blackridge, or Blackridge as they say in England, but she bides in Livingston now.